Instagram algorithm or YouTube algorithm is just brain rotting you. Hi, my name is Simran. My business is My Raj, and today I'm going to talk about Instagram algorithm brain rotting your brain and how you can actually fix that, how you're getting things sold, and how you can sell things. So, Instagram के algorithm का एक बहुत simple rule है. It is 24/7 just tracking you on your phone, tracking you everywhere. Now cookies is something that just traces all your activity. तो अब आप फुल टाइम ट्रैक हो रहे हो, आपके इमोशंस ट्रैक हो रहे हैं, आपके थॉट्स, आइडिया, सब कुछ ट्रैक हो रहा है, करेक्ट? तो आपका इंस्टाग्राम आपको वही कंटेंट और दिखाता जाएगा जो आपके ब्रेन को ट्रिगर करता जाता है. नाउ अंडरस्टैंड दिस, you are paying to Instagram algorithm in time currency. Okay, now hear me out. Okay, this is a crazy concept. Time is your currency when you're putting your energy and time into content. So basically जब जब आप कोई रील देख रहे हो, जब जब आप कोई रील लाइक कर रहे हो, सेव कर रहे हो, रीशेयर कर रहे हो, शेयर कर, you are paying the internet, basically Instagram, Meta, in time currency more than anything else, more than any other money format. You are paying in time currency. And in this time, in current time, the most expensive currency all we have is time currency, because every single moment of your life is just getting paid. And now understand this idea. Okay, now you wish to buy an apple, right? So you have two options. One, you will buy a fresh apple or you buy a rotten apple. Simple human brain math, you will buy a fancy, not fancy, but a good apple, a fresh apple, right? And you will wish to pay as less as possible. You would wish to pay for that apple jitna wo worth karta hoga, correct? But imagine a person buying a sada hua rotten apple for 5,000 rupees and just good about it, just comfortable. Similar is with content. You are paying 6 hour of time currency to brain rot, to just consume the content that is sadava content, or that maybe is rotting your brain slowly. It's eating up your brain, it's eating up your focus, it's eating up your time, it's eating up your energy. आप अगर आज एक बहुत अच्छे लेवल ऑफ स्टेट माइंड में हो, अंडरस्टैंड दिस. नाउ मोस्ट ऑफ द डेज मेरे साथ भी होता है, आई एम वेरी गुड माइंड सेट में, पूरा दिन मेरा प्रोडक्टिव है, आई जस्ट स्क्रोल्ड रील्स फॉर फ्यू मिनट्स. नाउ एनी थॉट दैट वुड बी प्लांटेड इन माई माइंड, एनी ट्रॉमा, एनी आइडिया, एनी क्वेश्चन, डाउट, सेल्फ वर्थ क्वेश्चन, सेल्फ वर्थ, जो भी मेरे दिमाग में होगा, अगर मुझसे उससे रिलेटेड एक रील मिल गई, मैंने लाइक कर दी, दूसरी मिल गई, लाइक कर दी, मैं अगले 3 घंटे तक अब ब्रेन रॉट कर रही हूँ, और अगले 3 घंटे तक आई एम पेइंग माई टाइम करेंसी टू बाय अ रॉटन एप्पल. For the next 3 hours, I am just brain rotting. I am paying in time currency, and I am just using Instagram algorithm to question my own self worth. And most of the days we are not even questioned, we're not even overthinking, we're not even doubtful, we are not even wanting something, but Instagram algorithm sells us. Be very conscious of what idea or what thought you are buying from Instagram, because it's making you more addicted. Now understand this, जब भी कोई चीज़ एजुकेशनलेबल होती है, अच्छी होती है, पॉजिटिव होती है, खुशी देती है या सही होती है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ वी आर आस्क्ड टू, सैलेड इज हेल्दी, राइट, फ्रूट्स आर हेल्दी, बट व्हेन वी आर आस्क्ड टू ईट दैट वी फील लाइक what, ये सब कचरा कौन खाएगा? But burger, fries, all of the, so instant dopamine, sad shit that just triggers you, or something that's let's say, I can't say sad, but something that just can control you or is not healthy for you, that's easy to consume, right? सही चीज़ें डाइजेस्ट करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है ह्यूमन बॉडी और ब्रेन के लिए. वहीं जब जंक या ऐसी चीज़ें आती है, हम उसको बहुत क्विक, ये हमारे दिमाग में, इट्स नॉट, आवर बॉडी तो ऑब्वियसली नीड्स गुड फूड, बॉडी तो कैन डाइजेस्ट, बट आवर ब्रेन इज जस्ट एडिक्टेड टू इंस्टेंट डोपामाइन. तो अब क्या हो रहा है कि हम जंक खाते जा रहे हैं, हम इंस्टाग्राम का रॉटन कंटेंट कंज्यूम करते जा रहे हैं, एंड वी जस्ट रॉटनिंग आवर बॉडी एंड ब्रेन. सो बेसिकली यू हैव अ हेल्दी बॉडी वेर यू आर पेइंग, यू सिंपली अंडरस्टैंड दिस, you have 1 crore. Now you're paying that 1 crore to buy rotten apples. Exactly. You're paying that 1 crore to buy junk. I also do that. We pay 1 crore to buy junk, 1 crore to buy Instagram account. So your brain currency, your emotion currency is very expensive, very shit expensive, brother. So don't pay Instagram. I'll tell you this, bhai. जब से आई हैव जस्ट फिगर्ड आउट कि मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे कोई रील आए, आई जस्ट म्यूट इट अनइंटरेस्टेड, और मैं अपने इंस्टाग्राम एल्गोरिथम को उससे फिक्स किया है मैंने अपना रील शेयरिंग का फॉर्मेट चेंज किया है। जब से मैं ज़्यादा वो कंजम्पशन नहीं कर रही जो मुझे नहीं चाहिए। आई हैव कंट्रोल्ड माई इंस्टाग्राम एल्गोरिथम एंड माई इंस्टाग्राम एल्गोरिथम इज नॉट कंट्रोलिंग मी एनी मोर। लाइफ इज चेंज, माई फोकस इज इंक्रीज, मेरा दिमाग बहुत शांत हो गया है, एंड यू नो इट इज़ calmed down. It is calmed down mentally also, and it has learned to deal with itself instead of questioning my worth, instead of doubting my decisions, instead of making my business fall. I am actually functioning, I am working more. पहले मुझे लगता था भाई मेरे पास तो टाइम ही नहीं है, 24 घंटे में इतना काम कर रही हूँ ये वो। ब्रदर, 6 to 8 hours a day was my average screen time, and I was thinking I'm to working only. It's cool, it's okay. But my more time was just brain rotting, and brain rot is bullshit. So don't pay your time currency to buy rotten apples. Just, find the right apples and pay the right amount of time. I think this will fix your life in your 20s, because when you'll be 30, you will be just regretting the hell out of yourself for paying to brain rot your brain rot your brain by the content. So make a lot of money, save your brain, save your time currency, guys. Save your emotional currency. Don't buy any fucking stupid idea from Instagram just because your brain was finding comfort. So don't find comfort in stupid Instagram content. Don't buy every idea that is being sold. Valentine, cool, you want something cool, you want 200 roses, okay, but there's other guy giving 200 roses to girl, stupid idea. So ज़रूरी नहीं है कि if you want it, definitely, but Instagram sold you that idea, that's why you want it. Full time currency payment, full stupid idea. Why? Don't just run behind stupid Instagram content, and I would just suggest you to calculate your time currency and spend it wisely, because this I learned very late in life, and I really don't want kids who are 19, 20, 18 to just put their time currency into this shit and then be 25 and see other people rich and feel sad. So build money, save yourself, save your time currency, save your emotional currency, and save yourself, guys. Don't let your brain rot. See you in another video and make a lot of money. Be happy. Bye.